So we've heard beats 1 and beats 2 of Lamba. There are beats 3 and beats 4 which are very different to those two. And there's an unusual way of going between beats 1 and beats 2 and beats 3 and beats 4, which isn't by a call. It will be by, well, it is kind of by a call, but it's mostly done by the lead drummer kind of making eye contact and kind of nodding when, because there is no djembe call for it. It's just a specific way in and out. And I will go from Lamba beat 1 into Lamba beat 3 by this method, and I'll call myself in to start as well. So. Beat 3 itself is a left-hand bass and then right to left patterns of tones. So you get, I don't know how many that is, that's 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you get a bass and then 8 tones, and then you get a bass followed by 2 tones. So it's, and then you do exactly the same thing, but you replace all of the tones with slaps. Tones again. And that is beat 3 of Lamba. While I'm here, I'll teach you beat 4 as well, because it's very, very similar, only it has triplets in it, and I'll just show you what I mean by that. So it's, beat 4, which is very, very similar to beat 3, only instead of, you've got, so it's just 2 slightly different feelings. Instead of doing, you get the triplets, but they kind of fall in exactly the same time. And going from either beat 1 or beat 2 into beats 3 and beats 4, the lead drummer will make eye contact with you and simply say something like, "this time," and it comes straight out of the beat 1 pattern, which is, and the way it does it, you do, so you have the first 2 tones of beat 1, and then 2 slaps, and then 2 basses, and 2 tones. So it's as if you were starting off beat 1 normally, tone, tone, slap, slap, but then you do bass, bass, tone, tone, and then you stop. So you've got tone, tone, slap, slap, bass, bass, tone, tone, and then from that you go into beat 3. So I'll go from beat 1 into beat 3. That is the transition. I'll do it one more time just to show you. So straight into beat 1 again. Etc. So the transition is to start of beat 1, bass, bass, tone, tone. for that. I think it's like 2 shuffle beats and then you come in, but it should kind of feel right. And that is the transition between the two. Usually you will have like the leader call in beat 3 for half of the drummers and then beat 4 for the other half of the drummers. And then to come out of these beats is also an unusual way of doing it. And again, the lead drummer will just start playing something that you'll hear and join in with. And it goes from beat 3 left, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left. And that will go on almost indefinitely according to however long the lead drummer wants to do it for. And you can use that as a tool for speeding up as well. So if he wants to speed up, everybody at that point, as soon as you hear the lead drummer playing that pattern, which comes directly out of beat 3, then you join in and you just carry on playing it. And then the lead drummer will count on his right hand. He will have 1, 2, 3, 4, and on his 4, everybody plays that slap and stops. So it'll be